Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust side mirrors on a Subaru Forester. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface. For power mirrors, locate the control switch, usually on the driver's door panel. This switch allows you to select which mirror you want to adjust. Then, use the directional pad to move the mirror glass. For manual mirrors, you will physically move the mirror glass by hand. We'll cover both methods in detail. For power mirrors, begin by selecting either the left or right mirror on your control panel. Once selected, use the joystick or directional buttons to move the mirror glass. The goal is to adjust the mirror so that you can just barely see the side of your own vehicle in the innermost 1/4 of the mirror. This positioning helps to minimize blind spots. Also, try to keep the horizon line centered for optimal visibility. If your Forester has manual side mirrors, you will need to physically adjust the mirror glass. Gently push on the edges of the mirror to move it into the desired position. Remember to sit in your normal driving position while making these adjustments to ensure accuracy. After adjusting both mirrors, take a moment to check your work. Sit back, relax, and observe the view. Make any small tweaks needed for perfect visibility. To further reduce blind spots, angle your side mirrors slightly more outward than you might initially think. When properly adjusted, as a car leaves your rearview mirror, it should immediately appear in your side mirror. This seamless transition helps eliminate those tricky blind spots. Always double-check your adjustments before driving. And hey, if you're looking to bring your space to life with some smart tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.